Hi, chemistry students. All right, here we're reaching the last section of Unit 9, reaction rates and chemical equilibrium. And so there was a character in history, Le Chatelier, and he investigated these reaction rates, and these are some of the principles he came up with. Um, it's whenever you have a reversible reaction, there's sort of an equilibrium point that gets reached where reactions are equalizing each other, reactants to products and products back to reactants. So that's the idea to think about. But anyway, stressors. So like if you had a reaction that was evenly going both ways and it had reached equilibrium, you could force it to go one way or the other. So these are the things that Le Chatelier came up with. You could change concentration, change pressure, or change temperature. Now, with the first one, if the stressor was concentration, then really if you add more reactants, you're going to drive that reaction to the right. It's going to want to make more products. If you add more products, then you would drive it to the left. And so that's what's being shown here. That's pretty much common sense. Stressor two is the pressure. If these are gases and you increase pressure, it's going to shift to the side with the least volume. If you decrease pressure, it would go to the side with the most volume. And so again, that seems kind of like common sense. The third stressor is temperature. Now, what you want to look at here is that where is the energy at? And so if we have a increase in temperature, then it's going to want to go away from this energy. Now, this next slide kind of summarizes that. Increase in temperature, move away from the side with the energy. So in this particular reaction, this is an exothermic reaction. If we increase the temperature, it's going to want to go to the left, back to the reactant side, because that's where the energy is, and it's just going to be increasing that amount. Whereas if we decrease energy, it's going to move away from wherever the energy is at. So let's look at if we decrease in temperature, it's going to move to the side with the energy. So I take that back. All right, so we'll try to get some practice using these ideas. And I guess the thing to do would be to keep these rules in mind as we're going through and practicing this. So when in doubt, come back to this slideshow and use this as a guide. Okay, best of luck to you, and thank you for watching.